Question 1. What is the use of fermentant? The correct answer is option D, all. Food processing, fermentation and waste treatment. Question 2. What is agitation? The correct answer is option C, mixing of cell and medium. Question 3. What is the role of puffles in the fermenter? The correct answer is option B, improve aeration efficiency. Question 4. Which of the following fermenter is used for manufacture of large-scale biopharmaceutical proteins? The correct answer is option C. Early fermenter is used for manufacture of large-scale biopharmaceutical protein. Question 5. What is the use of sparger? The correct answer is option A. Add air into the culture medium. Question 6. Which of the following fermenter is made up glass and transparent plastic? The correct answer is option A. Photobioreactor is made up of glass or transparent plastic. Question 7. Which of the following is not a type of photobioreactor? The correct answer is option C. Early fermenter is not a type of photobioreactor. Continuous run tubular loop, multiple parallel loop, flat panel centrifugation, each are the type of photobioreactor. Question 8. Which of the following is not a step of batch fermentation? The correct answer is option D. Culture not harvested is not a step of batch fermentation. Medium added, inoculum added, fermented sterilized and culture harvested is a step of batch fermentation. Question 9. Which of the following fermentation is the intermediate between batch and continuous fermentation? The correct answer is option B. Fed batch fermentation is the intermediate between batch and continuous fermentation. Question 10. Which of the following fermentation is used for fermentation of agriculture products and food? The correct answer is option A. Solid state fermentation is used for fermentation of agriculture products and food. Question 11. Which of the following are the phase of solid state fermentation? The correct answer is option D, all. Solid phase, liquid phase and gaseous phase are the solid state fermentation. Question 12. Which of the following microorganism is used for production of acetone and butanol? The correct answer is option C. Clostridium acetobutylicum is used for production of acetone and butanol. Question 13. Aerobic fermentation occur in? The correct answer is option C. Both A and B, mitochondria and cytoplasm. Question 14. Anaerobic fermentation occurring? The correct answer is option B, cytoplasm. Question 15. Solid state fermentation is used in? The correct answer is option D, all. Production of biopesticides in bioleaching and production of industrial enzyme. Question 16. Question 60. Fermentation is the correct answer is option C, metabolic process. 70. One who is expert in the field of fermentation is called? The correct answer is option D, zymologist. Question 80. The fermentation in which the lactic acid produced along with byproduct is called? The correct answer is option C, heterolactic fermentation. 90. What is the disadvantages of fermentation? The correct answer is option D, all. Production can be slow, product is impure and production carry high cost and energy, which are the disadvantages of fermentation. 20. Which bacteria is used in treatment of wastewater? The correct answer is option B. Aerobic bacteria is used in the treatment of wastewater.